In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up two-step verification in Gmail. This simple yet effective security feature is an essential tool to safeguard your account, ensuring your personal information remains secure. Let's dive right in and get things set up to keep your account safe and sound. Begin by opening your browser and navigating to myaccount.google.com. This is the hub for all things related to your Google account settings. Once you're on this page, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. This menu is your gateway to a range of account settings, and for today, our focus is on security. Click on the Security tab. This section is crucial as it encompasses everything related to your privacy and protection. After selecting the Security tab, scroll down until you find the section titled How You Sign Into Google. This part is designed specifically to enhance the security of your login process. Here, you will see an option for two-step verification. Click on it to initiate the setup process. Next, you'll be prompted to sign into your Google account. This step is necessary to verify your identity, so enter your credentials and proceed. Once you're signed in, you'll be asked to add your phone number. This number is vital as it serves as the contact point to which Google will send a verification code anytime there's a login attempt from an unrecognized device or location. Now comes an important decision. You'll have to choose how you prefer to receive your verification codes. Google gives you two options, receiving them via a text message or a phone call. Select the method that suits you best, keeping in mind which option is easiest and most reliable considering your daily routine. After you've made your selection, Google will send a verification code to your chosen option. When you receive the code, enter it into the provided field and click Next. This step is crucial as it ensures your phone number is correctly linked to your account, confirming that you can receive your verification codes without any issues. Finally, after successfully entering the code, you'll see the option to click Turn On. Go ahead and do so, and voila! You've just enabled two-step verification for your Gmail account. This additional barrier means even if someone manages to get hold of your password, they won't be able to access your account without the verification code sent to your phone. Remember, the convenience of quick access isn't as important as the security of your personal information. By setting up two-step verification, you've added a significant level of protection to your account. Keep your phone number updated and take full advantage of this security feature to enjoy a more secure online experience. Thank you for watching, and stay safe online.